Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for Finland, the unlimited data. So actually guys, before we get started, click the link in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. And of course in the end of the video I'm going to show you how you can exactly install the app inside your phone and its profiles for both devices. So now guys, I'm going to show you how you can find the Finland verse or Finland card. So you'll need to go with where do you need to enter it right here or the search bar, tap it and look for the Finland. So just type it. So this is the country, just tap on it. And actually guys, here you will find yourself inside the unlimited plans, right? So eSIM offers unlimited data eSIM plans for Finland with flexible duration. Current options include 1 day, 7 days, 15 days and 30 days. The unlimited plans, so giving you options for both short trips and longer stays. So for example, we'll go with the 30 days. It's only 900 gap between both. So then just go with the checkout, right? So it's up to you. It's up or depends on the days that you will, or the amount of days that you will spend on, or say on Finland, and then just enter or sign up or log in with your Google app, Apple, or an email. And also you'll need to choose a payments method just from here, then just go with pay and follow the prompts. So now guys, I'm going to show you how you can install an eSIM on your iPhone device. So actually guys, first you will need to get the eSIM app from the Apple App Store, and then just go to the eSIM page and then just install the eSIM profile. So then you will need to set up the primary as your mobile data, the eSIM plan as your mobile data, and the primary as default line, right? And enable or turn on the line and the data roaming. So that's the first method. The second method is by scanning the QR code. So you'll need to go with your device settings into the mobile data, to the add data plan or data plan, use QR code, and then just scan the QR code. And primary is default line, eSIM plan as mobile data, and of course you will need to turn on the line and data roaming. So now we are going to show you that on the Android devices. So you will need to get the app from the Google Play Store. Then just go ahead and go to the help center of the app, go with the eSIM installation, tap on install right here, and then you will need to go to settings option, go with activate eSIM and SIM manager, enable data roaming, restart your phone if necessary requested, so it can take more than once. And then we have the second method. So that was the first one, this is the second one. You will need to go with connections inside your phone settings, go with the SIM card manager, then add mobile plans, scan the QR code, and enable the data roaming. So actually guys, and once again, click the link in the description and choose the plan that best fits your trip. That's only if you want to check the latest eSIM plans and prices for Finland and the other countries. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.